Welcome to AutoPulse Pro, your trusted source for the latest automotive reviews, cutting-edge vehicle features, and expert insights from across the auto industry. On this channel, we break down the newest models to give you an in-depth understanding of what each vehicle truly offers. Today, we're exploring one of the most advanced motorhomes ever released, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo. This futuristic RV redefines luxury travel with its blend of high-performance engineering, smart technology, and sophisticated design. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Motorhome is built to transform the way people travel, offering the comfort of home combined with the freedom of the open road. At first glance, the Armadillo captures attention with its ultra-modern, aerodynamic exterior. Inspired by the natural armor of its namesake, this motorhome features sleek, curved lines and a high-strength composite shell that not only provides excellent safety and insulation, but also enhances the vehicle's fuel efficiency by reducing drag. The panoramic windshield and full-length LED light bars emphasize a futuristic look, while the flush-fitted windows and body panels give the motorhome a seamless, premium appearance. Under the hood, the 2026 Armadillo is powered by an advanced, hybrid powertrain, combining a turbocharged diesel engine with an electric motor for optimal fuel economy and torque delivery. This setup allows for silent electric-only travel in urban areas or full power on the highway when needed. The drivetrain includes all-wheel drive for better control across different terrains, making it ideal for both city navigation and off-grid adventures. Mercedes-Benz has also included regenerative braking and solar charging capabilities, providing energy-efficient operation for long-term road trips. Stepping inside, the Armadillo feels more like a luxury hotel suite than a motorhome. It features an open concept layout, with high-end materials like sustainable hardwood, premium leather, and brushed aluminum. Smart use of space means everything has a purpose without feeling cramped. The motorhome includes a modular living room that transforms into a bedroom, a fully equipped kitchenette with induction cooking surfaces, a smart refrigerator, and even a compact dishwasher. The dining table folds away automatically, and the lounge seating adjusts electronically to create different configurations depending on your needs. Tech-savvy travelers will appreciate the smart control system that manages lighting, climate, entertainment, and security through a central touchscreen or mobile app. There is also a built-in AI assistant for voice commands, real-time navigation with traffic updates, and wireless connectivity for all your devices. The 2026 Armadillo includes a full digital cockpit with a dual-screen setup, heads-up display, and advanced safety systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. Another standout feature is the spa-like bathroom area, complete with a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and a smart toilet. Mercedes-Benz has gone all out to ensure comfort is maintained on the road, no matter where you are. For travelers who enjoy staying off the grid, the Armadillo includes roof-mounted solar panels, a large battery storage system, and a water purification unit, making it fully self-sufficient for days or even weeks of travel. Practicality is also at the heart of the Armadillo's design. Ample storage compartments, foldable outdoor seating areas, and a retractable awning make it ideal for family vacations or solo explorations. The rear section can be used as a garage for bikes, scooters, or even a compact electric car, expanding your travel options even further. Whether you are planning a cross-country tour or looking to explore the countryside in style, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo offers a level of freedom and luxury rarely seen in this segment. In summary, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Armadillo Motorhome is a masterclass in automotive design and innovation. It combines cutting-edge technology, eco-conscious powertrains, luxurious interiors, and unmatched comfort to deliver a travel experience that feels both futuristic and deeply personal. This motorhome is not just a vehicle, it is a mobile sanctuary built for the modern explorer. If you found this review helpful and want more updates on the latest vehicles, specs, and detailed comparisons, make sure to subscribe to AutoPulse. Pros. We're committed to bringing you reliable reviews and everything you need to know before making your next automotive decision. Stay tuned and keep exploring with AutoPulse Pro.